Hi, I'm taking you thrifting with me today to a new store. So we'll go in and see what we have here. Looks promising so far. Oh, I like this little chair. Looks like some Fiesta wear. There's some Crocs down here. Oh, they have lots of fun stuff.
Okay, stay up there for 30 days. I don't want him to lose his truck. It is all speed cut. It would be safe for him if he get the other.
It's an interesting lamp. I like that. You have a lot of really nice things.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I love the variety of it. I love these floats.
You want me to or you have some? Yeah. Then just don't. Yeah, $16. Okay, well, by the time I come back, when did you get that? That means okay.
Have to see, because I'm not done with everyone, so hopefully the tag might. I'm home from thrifting. Thanks for joining me at Graves Mercantile in Kingman, Arizona. That was the first time I'd been in that store. I only ended up buying three items from this store. One I think I like the best is this butter paddle. I probably paid too much for it. It was $15, but I have my own that came with my churn from my mom. And the one I've had is totally different from this one. So I just wanted it to add to my little collection of one. So I'm going to wash the items that I bought. And I got a little small dish that my daughter might like for a little ring or trinket container. I thought it was very pretty and old. I'm not sure what the markings mean on the back, but I can look it up. Is that? And then the third item is a piece of pink brushing glass. It's very light pink. It looked unusual, and I like depression glass. So I'm going to wash it up here and find a new home for these items. It seems to have a bit of sticker stuck to it that's not coming off so easy. What I usually do when that happens is I use peanut butter, and that seems to really take it off. So I'll have to do that. I don't want to scrub this too hard. It's hand painted. I'm going to show you where I put the new items, and I didn't go very far. I just put them right here. One in the kitchen window, that pink old depression glass. It's so light you can see through it pretty good, and my yard is pretty dead looking this winter. So for the moment, I'm going to leave it right there. I'm sure it will bother me soon, and I'll want to move it, not block my view. But I thought it would be pretty there with the couple of pieces of the green depression glass that I have. And then the little trinket box, dish, I just put right here on this little piece of marble with my soap. And then the butter paddle is right here. The one on the right is the one I got today. So they're all just right here in my kitchen, the items that I got today. I had fun. Hope you did too. If you're ever in Kingman, Arizona, check out Graves Mercantile right there on Route 66.